Hinawakan ko konti. Ganun. Tingin lang kayo. 1, 2, 3.
Uy, tara na.
Excited ako. Hawakan ko yung dolphin. Are you excited, Louie?
No.
Smile, then waki pa waki. Bonk.
Good morning, guys. So, naka-white kami ngayon. Si Oli kasi tulog pa. Pero naka-denim. White and denim kasi kami. So, si Oli naka-denim. Merong isang miyembro ng pamilya dito na in-inform siya. Pero parang hindi siya na-inform na white and denim kami. So, ngayon, bibili tuloy. All black. Naka-all black. Ang layo sa white and denim. Kahit denim man lang, wala daw. Gadin daw siyang white. So, ang mangyayari, para naman, kasama siya sa pamilya. Bibili siya sa souvenir shop. Pero bibili naman din talaga kami doon. Ito yung outfit ni Ate Ani. Uniqlo, TikTok shop yung skirt niya. Ano yan? Skirt. Tapos si Louie, jumper. Tapos si Oli, dress na denim. Pero yung pamalit naman niya, dress na white naman. Kaya nga nagaganon ang tingnan mo pa.
Yun ang ano.
Breakfast lang kami. Tapos, we are trying our luck na may available sa Ocean Adventure ng walk-in. Kasi sa online, kahapon, ay nung isang araw pa, no? Sa Klook, wala na daw available. Try namin walk-in. And dito lang naman yung malapit lang naman siya. Pag wala, edi pasyon naman sa Pampanga. Sayang, kasi nandito na tayo eh.
Ate, gusto mo to?
Ay, tara na, baka wala tayo ng breakfast, no?
Para mas bagay ito.
Yan na lang kay Louie.
So that when I want to wear my headphones, I can put this on my back.
And this is mine.
Pa-backpack lang ako. Ano to, diaper bag?
Wow.
Dora.
Assassin's Creed.
Ano yan?
Assassin's Creed.
Suotin mo pag yan, hindi mo sinuot. Takot na takot ka talagang umitim.
Diba?
Wala na dito. Meron pa dyan.
Wala na.
Yan, ganyan. Nakakatakot ng pag nakasalubong ka ng ganyan. Bakit siya
Tapos ganun lang maglakad, diretso.
You have bags na. You have bags.
Ayan, ito sa akin tosino, kay Daddy Alongganisa, tapa, and hotdog kay Luisita. Kain!
I want a pet tiger.
Ano, baby ko. Look, Oli, oh. Tiger, oh. Baby tiger, look. Ayun, oh. Hi, baby tiger. Look at the tiger. Ang cute. Hala. Niikot-ikot lang siya. Ang cute. Hala. Ang cute. Bye-bye tiger. Look, oh. Bye-bye tiger. Lily. Ang cute. Ang sarap mag-alaga ng tiger siguro, ano? Tapos, sumusunod. Bye-bye, tiger! Game 1, 2, 3, smile! Oli! Oli! Smile! Teka, natatakpan. Okay. Okay, game 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay. Yan, picture tayo dito. Wala kasi kami dalang tripod, kaya hirap kami mag-family picture. Yan o. Cute.
Talagang pagbato ng sapatos. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nandito pala kami ngayon sa Crocoloco. Crocodile? Oli? Ayun ang crocodile.
Yun o.
Nasaan? Ah, galing. Big crocodile.
Again? A big crocodile. Ayun o, Oli, look. Yun, Oli, look down.
So many crocodiles.
Mamaya picture kayo doon. Doon, may nakalagay Crocoloco. Ano? Siyempre hindi ka... Sino bang gusto mag-fall dyan? Dito picture.
Daddy, tignan mo yan.
Alin?
That crocodile.
Ano?
Wala yung part na part.
Ayaw nga ano.
Where are the frozen?
Baka ano, they had a fight.
Where are they frozen?
They're not frozen.
What if malaglag yung cellphone?
Galing no? Talagang walang galaw. Walang galawan talaga.
Hindi talaga sila tulog yan siya. Ang cute nito, pinapakain nila. Hindi gumagalaw. What if malaglag tong camera? Teka lang, paano ko kayo bibidyohan?
Hindi kayo tulog.
Ah, sa akin?
Ayaw ni...
Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo, Louis?
Ano daw? Kahit wag niyo muna daw ipakain. Ganun.
Teka lang, nagulat ako.
That's why sabi ko, bilisan po kasi that one is long interest.
Oo nga.
Wait lang, ate.
Teka. Saka na. Mahaba yung steak. Hindi na sinasabi mo kay Louie. Oh, yan oh, naglalapitan na sila. Nagsama yung ano. Nagsama. Ang weird talaga oh. Ayun oh. Parang mga estatwa talaga sila oh.
Pa, naghihis.
Nagihis. Nagihis. Ayun oh, look oh.
Naiinis siya, hindi siya nakakain. Nakatakot ko, no? Pang-attack mode sila, no? Crocodile, Oli? Sabi niya kanina, it's a big crocodile. C is for? C is for? You don't like crocodile? Nakakatakot, oh. Oh, tignan niyo naman. Mga naka-attack mode, eh.
Ano yun?
Hippo. Ano lang, statwa lang. Oh, what's that, Oli? What's that? Ano yan? Hippo.
Hippopotamus.
You don't like hippo? It's so cute, oh.
Ay, may crocodile.
Si Ayi lang may gusto picture sa crocodile. Baby crocodile. Picture lang, hindi naman natin nahawakan. Si ate hahawakan niya yan.
Pwesto po. Hello guys. You can put your hands here, sir. Dito sir. Huwag niyo pong tatakpan yung eyes niya. Yan. Yan, okay. Oh, ma'am, makbayan nyo si ate, ma'am. You can touch it, ate, also. Okay, closer po sila. Look here. Yan. Okay, look here po. Smile po sila. Baby girl. 1, 2, and smile. Thumbs up po. Yung pwede mag-thumbs up. Show your teeth. Yan. Okay, roar pose po. Gigil. Yun. Okay, one more po on your camera. Okay, 1, 2, and smile. Thumbs up po yung pwede mag-thumbs up. The roar pose po, yung gigil din. Okay, say hi on the video po. Hi. Roar again, roar. Okay, hi po sa video. Hello. Rub niyo po yung back ni Crocodile, ate, ma'am. Bali name po niyan si Kuy Kuy po, si Kuy Kuy. Ma'am, kayo na lang po mag.
Okay, thank you, kuya.
Pangalawa po, thumbs up. Nenong last one, mamang roll.
Ate, patingin nga ulit nung naka-thumbs up. Patingin.
Thumbs up. Oo, nasa
Ay, parang mas cute yung naka-thumbs up.
Thumbs up na lang. Isang copy lang po. Printing na po.
Ang cute.
Wow, ako lang. I can see.
Pero pwede yun maano.
I can see. Ako lang.
Konti yung papa.
Ano?
Hinawakan ko konti. Ganun. Ang tapang.
Wow.
Ang tapang ko.
Oo. Ginano. Dito na kami ay plus trail.
Are you okay?
Ganda ng crocodile. You like crocodile? Yes daw. Gusto daw niya sa crocodile. Hindi halata.
Where are we going?
Pumapose.
Oli!
Look here.
Smile! Sambal Aita. Ambala Bataan. Walang nag-aano ngayon dito. Nag-show. Dati ang daming Aita dito nung pumunta tayo, 'di ba? May mga nag-show. Yes. May mga sumasayaw-sayaw, tas aayain kang sumayaw, no? Sumayaw pa nga si Daddy nun eh, si Daddy Al.
Bye-bye, Oli.
Oo nga, 'di ba? Yung maliit pa si Ai. Hindi, parang may pinatry ata sa'yo. Tapos sinubukan mo din. Picture kayo dun, Louie, oh.
Ay, look ate.
Game.
Ganon tingin ka dun.
Ate, medyo ganun ka konti. Tanggalin mo. Yan. Yan, go.
Yan.
Pasok pa. Tapos tinginan kayong dalawa. Tinginan kayo. 1, 2, 3. Tawan-tawa. Wait. It's so funny. So funny, ate. Wait, ha. 1, 2, 3. One more.
My eyes hurt.
Okay. So funny.
You want to try?
Ollie's turn, Ollie?
Try?
Ollie's turn? You want? Ito naman. Ate, tingin kayo dito. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Ayusin mo yung, Yan. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Meron palang short presentation. Saan po? Dito po sa upuan? Okay po. Ganda na to, oh. Paano kayo tatapak doon? Wala, baka ginagawa pa lang. Yan. May presentation daw sila. So, dito kami. Pinaupo.
In a few minutes po, meron lang po kami 3 traditional dances. Pero bago po yun, meron lang po kami short history. So, nung unang panahon po, bago pa man po dumating ang mga Amerikano dito sa tubig, ay mga ninuno na po namin ang nauna. Bali, ito na po yung tinuturing naming ancestral land o ancestral domain po. Okay, the first dance was the dragonfly dance o sayaw ng tutubi. Naniniwala po kami na ang pagdating noon ng mga tutubi sa aming lugar ay ito na po ang pagdating ng tag-ulan. At ito na rin po ang hudyat ng pagtatanim po namin ng bagong. Okay po, once again, the dragonfly dance. So, sayaw ng tutubi.
Ate, clap kayo ha. Clap. Clap.
Okay po, ang next dance po is the monkey dance o sayaw ng unggoy. Naniniwala po kami na walang makakahigit o makakapantay sa abilidad ng isang unggoy pagdating po sa paghahal ng pagkain sa gubat po. Okay po, once again, the monkey dance.
Ay! Gulat naman ako. Ay, ayun. Makiat siya. Yay!
Okay po, then the last and final dance po is the war dance o sayaw ng binabayan. Unang panahon po, nagkakaroon po ng hiduaan ng magkabilang dito sa amin. Pero bago po maganap yun, humihingi po muna kami ng respeto sa amin sa Diyos na tinatawag namin ang Apo ng Diyos. At ang sayaw po na mapapanood ninyo, ito po yung paraan upang baka sakaling maayos ang sitwasyon. Okay, once again po, the war dance.
Pa.
Yan na po nagtatapos sa aming short and humble.
Yay! Thank you po. Pwede pong magpa-picture. Ate, patingin nga. Patingin. Ganun, go. Paano ka magpana?
Hindi ko alam.
Ganun ka. I-stretch mo. Para mas mag-iba yung ano, tunog. Parang gumaganon. Konting water. Nagsulo na yung isa. Pan jogging. Oli! Dali, mainit. Paano pag naligaw tayo dito? Sa forest. Tara na. Sana may available pa. Saan kaya?
Did you say watch?
Uy, tara na.
Teka lang. Mainit ba? May bag ko.
Andyan. Kunin ko na lang.
Tara, init. Okay na ba to?
Okay na. Sure ako hindi ka, ano yan?
Yung naka-rejuve ka, tas ayaw mo sa araw.
Ano yan ba yan? SPF 1000?
Ha?
SPF 1000.
SPF 1000 to, girl.
Ano to? Sa TikTok? TikTok shop.
Oo, TikTok. Smile. Oli! Okay. Baka malaglag yung shoes, ate, ha? Naka!
Hindi po nila hinay-lightan, sir.
Hindi eh. Ano ulit? Anong gagawin natin?
Ito, dolphin.
Sea lion, balancing act, wild birds.
You don't like the dolphin?
Una na kayo.
Alright! Hi everyone! everyone, welcome to Dolphin Friends. My name is Christopher and I will be your host today as we explore the fascinating world of one of the most amazing creatures of the sea, the dolphins. Well, here on Ocean Adventure, you will see that they come in all shapes and sizes. So, let me introduce our friends to you one by one. Alright, so first up is we have our female bottlenose dolphin, and that is Nala. Hi, Nala. And last but not the least, we have our male bottlenose dolphin, and his name is Enzo. Come on, everybody, say hi. Now, ladies and gentlemen, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish. Are they? What are they? That's right, they're mammals just like you and me, but how can we tell? First, fish move their tails from side to side, like this. Show them, guys. Look at that. That looks really funny, right? But you know what? For dolphins, their tail flukes that powers them through the water. It actually moves up and down and not side to side like a fish. Alright, so guys, show them how it works. You see that? I told you, their tails moves up and down and not side to side like a fish. They use the blowhole on the top of their heads. Now everybody, listen. Okay? Now that blowhole has a lid that opens and closes so no water gets inside. Alright, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This is very cute. Come on, Enzo and Nala. And there you go. See? Nice. Now those fins are what we call the pectoral fins, and it's used to steer them through the water. They actually jump up in the air. Alright, come on now, show them what you've got. Just like that. Well, they're doing the most. They can reach the speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Ready, guys? Hit it! Look at that. That was really fast. But wait. If Michael Jackson can moonwalk, the dolphins, they can walk on water. Show us how you do it. They can walk on water. Well, folks, I believe that deserves a big round of applause. Good job, guys. So we've invited a lucky guest down to meet one of our dolphin friends. Alright, everybody, come on, clap your hands. Very good. Good. Good job. One more time. And third. Very good. Top of the camera. Nice. Good job, guys. Come on, guys. Alright. Give it to her. One more. And we have a very special surprise for you. Holly, here with trainer Raymart and together with Enzo. Alright, so everybody, you will love this. Let's see what will happen. How about a nice photo with your newfound friend? Good job. There's the secret. One more. And then can you smell your hands? Fishy? Yeah, well, you don't have to, or you know why? Because trainers all over the world use a technique on how to clean your hands. Okay, face the audience. Stretch your arms like this, both arms, okay? Shake it as fast as you can. Come on, you can do it. And then rub it on your shirt. There it goes. Alright, so how about a big round of applause for Sakina, our lucky guest. big round of applause for our dolphins. Of thousands of marine animals are being poisoned by the waste and trash that we dump in the ocean and drowned by the fishing nets we carelessly leave behind. This is sad, senseless, but it's true. So it's time for us humans to respect and protect our fragile oceans and all the creatures that live in it before they are lost to us forever. Remember, you can make a difference because they're counting on you. So, on behalf of the entire Ocean Adventure family, we would like to say thank you for joining us here today. We hope that you enjoyed the show, and we hope that you are all having a great day only here at Ocean Adventure.
Bakit kasi sensitive yung eyes niya?
Grabe kayo, sir. Ilan po kayo? Kung kasama siya, 5. Pang-5 siya.
Mag-ano kami, dolphin encounter. Excited ako, hawakan ko yung dolphin. Are you excited, Louie?
No.
Are you excited, Ollie? Are you excited? We touched the dolphin?
No.
Touch the dolphin?
No.
Why?
My employees guest
Ice cream yan. Mukhang dugo eh. Nagkalat ng ice cream. Tignan niyo yung cup ni Daddy Al. Madulas ha, si Ollie. Ayan na. Careful, madulas ha. Ay, yung cute. Ang cute. Ollie! Daddy!
Naka-ano po?
Naka-ano yan pa? Ay,
Naka.
thank you.
Sige po.
Sino ba muna magta-touch kay Dolphin, ma'am?
Ako
We have 3 poses lang, ma'am. No? So, sa 5 so tatlo lang po yung may chance.
Careful.
Tapos, everyone po, compress po tayo.
Sir, pwede sa likod ka na po, sir. Tapos sila na lang po yung nakaupo. Tapos pawak ko na lang po si baby, sir.
Po tayo. Okay, everyone, pose. Ma'am, straight arm lang po. And everyone, look at the camera, everyone, smile, look here. Do a wacky pose, wacky pose, wacky. Okay. Second pose po, sino? Okay, second pose, switch place po tayo. So,
Sa edge pa po, ma'am.
Di ba nagtatouch ka nga lang?
yeah, then ma'am, offer your arm, straight arm. Taas mo onte, ma'am.
I
Yan.
don't wanna touch it!
And everyone po, tingin sa camera, smile. Do a wacky pose, wacky. Alright. Last pose po.
I don't want to touch it! I don't want to touch! Ayaw! Ayaw! I don't want to touch it! I don't want to be near the mountain!
Alright. Then, offer your arm, sir. Straight arm.
Yes po, ma'am. Nakikita naman po siya.
And everyone,
Then look at the camera po.
Smile. Do a wacky pose, wacky. Alright, I got it. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much po, ma'am. Ito po yung camera.
Ay, okay, thank you.
Thank you. Oo. Ay, may food court pala, oh.
Daddy, I'm scared of the dark.
It's okay.
Ollie, look! What's that? What's that? Is that a fish? What kind of fish? Is that a shark? Shark? Look! Shark nga yun? Shark yun? Yung isa? Yung kanina?
I'm not daddy.
Ayun o. Shark.
Ano daw, artificial lang daw. Hindi ata totoo.
Dive Evolution. Ayun na yun. Shipwrecks.
It's not there.
Snack muna. Food court. Ate.
Ito namin ang dikit. Tapos nag-grade.
Ang gwapo ni Daddy Al. Ipit pa yun. Ang gwapo pag walang tiyan. No? Gwapo pa rin naman kahit may tiyan. Pero mas gwapo pa pagka straight. Yun. Nakakamato.
Bakit na lang naman. Mga dalawang buwan pa.
Ilang ka na ba? Do 25 nung nakaraan. 230 ka nung nakaraan.
Kaya mga 220.
Yabang. 220 na. 10 pounds na. Malay mo.
23.
Malay mo naman. Nag-snacks lang kami kasi bawal pa pumasok dun sa sila yun.
Una-una ka kanina.
Una-una ako kanina, bawal pa pala. Nandun ako, nakaupo na ako, bawal pala. Maganda-ganda yung pwesto namin na ngayon. Ano? Maganda. Kasi, nahawaan mo ko eh. Namin. Maganda-ganda yung pwesto namin ngayon.
Stop!
Ang galing ko sumingit. Charot, hindi ako sumingit Magaling lang ako pumila. Kasi row 1 and 2, mababasa daw dyan. So, dito tayo. Kanina kasi sa Dolphin, ang layo namin kasi late na rin kami nakarating.
Yes.
To help and protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. So, officer.
Yes, officer.
Is everyone ready to go?
Well, let's see. Guys, are you ready?
Yeah!
We are ready.
Good. Now let's show these folks how sharp we
Yung
are.
Oli, sila yun.
Ready?
Okay.
Attention! Chloe.
Sleeping siya
You're not supposed to sleep. Chloe, wake up.
Wake up!
I said, get up. Oh, I know, Chloe. Would you like some fish? Like some fish? They have this big and powerful front flippers. How powerful are they? Well, Chloe will show you. Drum roll, please. Chloe?
Officer, would you like to see Dakila and Chloe's imitation of a seal? Okay, Dakila and Chloe, show them a seal.
Well, officer, that looks like a seal.
And this is how seals walk.
See what we mean? A little bit funny on land. Now how about a big round of applause for Dakila and Chloe?
Please. Now the rule is he can only eat those fish on the clock of my hands for only one at a time. So now let's start. Okay, Dakila. First fish. Okay, he eats and what's next, Dakila? He stays very good. Okay, stay right there, Dakila. Now let's try the second fish. Okay, he eats and he stays again. Wow. Hey, why are you clapping? You think you're ready for Dakila? No, you can't. Unless all of you clap our hands. Come on, everybody, clap it. Laughter. See? good job, Dakila. Now, Dakila, you may now have your third fish. There you go. So, one more fish to go, and we are done. So, last fish. Hey, Dakila, where's the last fish? Did you eat it? Oh, no. Hey, Dakila, we're talking about self-control here. Dakila, come on. Show them what happens to a bad sea lion. Show them. Paano daw po? Well, of course, I'm only kidding. We don't hurt our animals here at Ocean Adventure. Now, the Marine Patrol tries to maintain its good community relations, so we have invited a member of the community who would like to meet Dakila up close and personal. So, Officer Ruth, whenever you are ready, take it away.
Our dear friend. Okay, can you please assist her? Stand beside Dakila. Okay, so tell us, what's your name, ma'am? Jella. Alright. So Miss Jella, let's start with a friendly clap on Dakila's back. Just give him a good rub down, just like this. Come on, rub him down. Okay, there you go. So, is Dakila nice? Yes, of course. And since you are Dakila's new best friend, she would love, or he would love to give you a very special treat. And that is a big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. Are you excited for that kiss, Jella? Super excited. How about you, Dakila? Are you excited to kiss her? All you have to do is move closer over your cheek and hold it. Wow, that was Mr. Sea Lion, hands on the deck. Oh, sir. This time. It'll make it a bit harder this time, sir. And for the second round, just lie down and roll. Lie down, roll over, sir. Just like that. Okay, ready? The floor is wet and it's all yours. Okay, go. Now down. Run over. Oh, roll. Ganyan. The final round, and you have to stay right there and
Kala niya kiss lang.
oh, yan. Ready ka na ba?
Classic fact, like this one could kill. Did you all know that? Yes, whales, dolphins, sea lions, sea turtles, and other marine animals could easily swallow this plastic bag. They could choke and die. While fishing lines and pieces of nets like this one could kill tens of thousands of marine animals every year. While this can wrap around their neck and their flippers and could cause great damage. Just like, come on, Dakila, show them. Just like a broken flipper. Oh, see that? And that is going to be painful. Now, like what I said, that's left behind are extremely dangerous. Animals like Dakila could get entangled with this kind of net and see what will happen next. Dakila? One more time. Okay, after getting entangled slowly. Oh, see that? He drowns. Poor Ducky. Well, what a fantastic job though. So folks, how about a big round of applause for Dakila?
Will reduce the amount of trash you make by buying items of larger sizes. We have here reuse. We'll reuse items like bags, boxes, and bottles whenever we can. And here's a great tip from Chloe. A canvas bag just like this can make a great grocery bag. And you can even save on paper and plastic. We have recycle. We'll recycle materials like aluminum,
bounce and even down. Well, let's see.
50 flow.
Of course, he picks it up and takes it where? Of course, Mickey Wesley side of center there. Good job, boy.
Ang lakas din sa ano kay Dakila eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Chloe and Dakila.
Again, folks, maraming salamat po. I hope you enjoy your stay here at Ocean Adventure. Goodbye, everyone!
Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen,
Grabe!
Please approach the animal slowly and carefully and avoid unnecessary contact. You can stay right beside the children who want to have over not mistake please. And do not walk in front of a seat. Instead, walk in front of the trainer's back or behind the seat so that's Cory will not get irritated and driving. You guys would like to have a kiss from Cory? Step the trainer now and we will be more happy to ask Cory. Thank you so much and have fun.
Okay, so for the meet and feed po, I'm going to teach you basic hand signals and how to ask behaviors to our friend Cory, okay? So let's start with hi or wave. So wave lang po isang kamay and show it to Cory. Wave po tayo. Okay, now it's going to give a fish. Let's start with you. Okay, toss mo na. Where's the Alright, now next up for the smile.
Ay, ikaw na, Louie. Totos mo lang naman pala eh.
See, one more. And show it to Cory. See?
Ay, ikaw.
You hold it right there. Last one on the hand. Okay, toss it closer to the face. Okay, next one. Show a thumbs up. Show a thumbs up. One more.
Go!
Wala na tayo nice guess, sir.
Okay, next one po. Okay, how about your two index fingers up and down and show Alright, and lastly for the Marine Patrol, let's do salute. Salute. Good job. Okay. Photo sila dito. Ayan na
Then look here po, smile. Then waki naman po, waki. Smile. Got it po. Alright.
Second post, ma'am.
Sige kami na lahat.
You're going to be the one for the kiss? Are you going to give this now?
Sayang, Louie.
Sige, go.
Let me help you na. Baka just
Ay, sige, thank you.
Pwede po natin yung touch yung likod niya po.
Then look here po, smile. Got it po.
How about the last
pose
Last
po?
post po. Sige,
Group na po kayo?
Big smile.
Then look here po, smile. Then waki po, waki. Got it po.
Anong feeling, ate?
I thought you also got it.
Ikaw, tinatanong kita.
It's okay.
Smells like fish.
Opo.
Pero ano, ang lambot ang soft niya.
Soft yung feels kissy.
Yes.
Got it.
Ang cute eh.
Very good. Did you know that there are over 8 billion human beings living on Earth? Yes, that's true. Now, because of our actions every year, 100 million hectares of rainforests are destroyed. And speaking of trash, 2.24 billion tons of garbage is produced. And most of it is plastic. Now, Earth is in perfect balance, right? But we... No, we're plastic bottles. We never drink down. Then you'll find us laying all over town. Your Earth is dying, and that's the fact. So grind us up and melt us down.
This is what I say.
Ah, yung owl.
It's real. And actually, kanina ko siya nandyan. So, anyway, the real owl sa Pilipinas. So, si Maximus naman, siya ay Philippine Eagle Owl. So, right here in the Philippines, owls are locally known as, or sa Tagalog, tinatawag natin silang mga wow. Ayun, owls can reach their heads for up to 270 degrees only. Okay, then right again, once again, how about a big hand? George and Maximus. Sorry. Our big quarter hands are open on us. Here time. Okay, so yan po si Steve. Makita niyo ba yung butot? Yes. We got famous for hand style. It has a double purpose and you know what? We can compliment just like that. Amazing, right? And not forget your art with some of his favorite I will use the Butler's conference now to mark their stories. Can you guess somewhere in the song? Start with the letter D. Beautiful mind. Yes, you're correct. That's why we are over for that. Oh, no one for that. Okay, once again, nobody can. Through that. Our big servant are open on us. Allow us to that. Extremely stuck out because they only share winning. Well, sila po ay hindi, wala silang tarpa. And then you see the physical pattern on this skin. That's what who says snakes are slippery and slimy. Raise your hand. Slippery and slimy. Ayan na yun. Tatlo lang. Why don't you simply volunteer from the audience? Okay, pero sa panabigan for our people, volunteer pala pa ka naman tayo. Ashen. Okay, Ma'am Ashen, sino kasama niyo? Okay, ako na nag-share pero mga sa kanya. Hi! Alright, family, any last one for Ma'am Ashen po? And then I said, next, I want you to touch the head. You know, ready? Okay, folks, give it time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, okay, 1, 2, and...
with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good.
Then guys, nagugutom na kami. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung gutom.
Sunod-sunod no?
Sunod-sunod kami.
Maganda kung pag mag-i-start sila, kumain na kagad.
Nakakatawa naman yung mga staff dito. Ay, nakakatawa, nakakatuwa. Mga staff. Mga nanonood din sa amin.
Thank you.
May shrimp po. May shrimp.
Yeah, but there's vegetable.
Tempura. Pag gusto mo, ito na lang. Andito na, may pork sinigang na, may chop suey, may fried chicken, may sisig.
Pwede naman. F2.
May soda na din.
FT2.
Oo. Ayan, umorder lang ako ng green mango shake, Mountain Dew. May kasama na kasi Mountain Dew yung in-order namin, parang package. Ay, package. Ano ba yun? Set na siya. Family set. You want this one? Mango? Okay.
With soap ha.
Ay, ang galing mo talaga, bata pa. Kinagat mo lang. More? Okay. Don't bite.
I'm sure na.
More? Order kami ng sinigang para sa mga bata. Sabaw. So, ayan. Fried chicken. Tapos, chop suey. Sisig.
Diyan ako sa, stroller. Teka, ate. I'll help you.
What do I not prepare?
Ay, pinakagutom na. Tama tayo, paggutom ko talaga nagkukusa.
Oh, nagpusa na ng sumubo. Very good. Gutom ka rin.
Look here, Oli! Oli! Look here, mommy, mommy, mommy. Where's mommy? I see.
Ang daming fingers yun.
Asus!
Other.
Wow! Peace!
Thumbs up. Okay. Paano good?
Here, oh, here. Smile.
Super.
Say super. Okay, game 1, 2, 3, smile.
Ganun, smile. Ganun.
Good job, Oli.
Nasa mood ka na.
Come on. Pagod kayo?
Opo.
Pero enjoy naman.
Opo.
Tara. Louie, let's go. Tawagin mo na si ate mo. Ano, may nakita ka na? Ano yan? Okay. Tapos na yung aming tour. Ano? Ano? Ayan na. I'm gonna catch you. Let's go.